Hello everybody, this is Antonio from ThinkCloud, and what I'm going to do today is introduce you SelfieSign. SelfieSign is a product that was created by ThinkCloud Technologies in 2016 and is nowadays a solution that is going to bring trust to the financial sector because it's going to make financial institutions to trust who we know, especially because fraud is one of the most important problems in the financial sectors, like causing 63% of the business to suffer from it and having victims of 14 million. Then causing losses, for example, just in some use cases in the financial sector, there is like new accounts of 3.4 billion US dollars. So having a credit card or make opening a loan account can cause this kind of problem. And this, for example, 679,000 of these accounts they were taken over when they after open. So why self-design is going to solve this problem? Because we are going to bring the best evidence to prove that the customer is behind a transaction by adding the people's factor. So once we have a document, we are going to record who's the person and who is doing the signature, creating a digital signature in a trust stamp. So how do we do this? How do we are going to solve this? By basically using your smartphone, tablet device, iOS, Android. So we can sign anywhere when we want with just our finger or biometric pencil. And at the same time, we are going to record the process of the signature and recording the person who is behind the signature. So we are going to have, as a result, a document, a PDF document that normally doesn't have a person behind that. So we can see the signature section, and we are going to give you the evidence of the video of that person signing. So you can compare the two signatures and have it all this together, so we'll make our document undeniable. So to understand this and to understand what the others are doing, basically they are based on smart cards or tokens that they can use on a computer. But on mobile devices, what we basically do is to authenticate or to verify a user is using username, passwords, OTPs, basically to verify the phone number, or using our fingerprints or facial recognition or face ID in a smartphone, but basically not verifying that the customer is there. So that's why self-design will bring the customer and will make sure that that person is alive and is aware of what is signing. And when they stamp the sign, we're going to see that it's approving. So bringing transparency, visibility, and other benefits, like for example, financial institutions that are like very important for them, eliminate signatures. For example, there are no like missing signatures, complete auto archiving, so automatic system that will have, and you can perform signatures anywhere. At the same time, you can enhance the audit trail to create the traceability and increase the security, so you can position in your company or your bank or your insurance company for paperless. So having a tangible ROI after having the best evidence. Our business model is focused on the number of documents that you are going to use and that you are going to sign. Basically, big enterprises, what they need is on premises. So what they're going to pay is a license, a setup fee, and a maintenance fee based on the number of documents. Other institutions that just we have need an API, so they can call our API basically, and we are going to charge per number of documents that they sign. So they are able to have a monthly and annual subscription according to the number of documents that they want to use in that period of time. So nowadays customers are using it. So we can see our, like here, our family. For example, we have Qatar Life Insurance, Unitas Securities, P2P companies, not just here and also in other part of the world. And we have the financial sectors like hospitals like China Medical Hospital, Sichi, Chang'an, and the biggest SIs companies in Taiwan. So we cooperate with them. So we also have the government customer that is like Taipei City Police that they use basically for inspections. So once that you go there, they'll go make you sign after they inspect. So, and this was created by a team basically that is formed like with the experience of young generation with all generations, so you can have like the perfect combination to create a company and to create a product that is going to be developed globally. So this was basically all the presentation, and I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.